Got it. You're here for the Squarespace promo code. I get it, and I will deliver. Just click the link in the description or scan this QR code on screen, and the Squarespace coupon will be automatically applied to you. Now, in case you don't know which Squarespace plan to pick, don't worry, that's why I'm here. Looking at the Squarespace pricing page, it's clear that no matter which plan you choose, any plan is more than enough to launch a fully functional website. Besides, you get tools like amazing looking templates, a free domain, SEO tools, and of course, built-in AI tools. With the higher tier plans, you also get advanced analytics and customization options, but these plans are more focused on e-commerce and bigger businesses. Personally, my favorite is the core plan. It's just a bit more expensive than the basic, but you get the most optimal feature set with plenty of room to experiment without getting overwhelmed. Okay, once you click on the plan with the Squarespace promo code automatically applied, the site is going to ask what type of website you're going to create. Then you'll have to create an account where you will get a 14-day free trial and a demo website that you can edit. But there's a twist that Squarespace has, okay? It gives you a 14-day free trial no matter which plan you choose. So once you feel like continuing this journey, you can either subscribe now or when the trial ends. And you can do that by pressing select and then selecting a billing cycle. So I suggest you go with the annual billing, since that way you not only get the best Squarespace price, but also save money in the long run. After, just confirm your selection and add the billing info, and boom, you're done. That's it. Really. Now you know how to get a Squarespace plan, and so you can just make sure to click that link in the description for the best Squarespace discount code. Happy building.